I'm Stephan. I'm a PhD candidate at TU Delft. I'm focusing my research on the heating transition from a public administration perspective. So I'm interested in how new policies are being innovated.
My name is Nihit Goyal. I'm an assistant professor of policy innovation at the Faculty of Technology, Policy and Management at TU Delft in the Netherlands. I focus on studying policy processes empirically to understand why governments do what they do and how policy innovations come about.
Our tasks focus on social scientific research to understand the role of modeling in policy design and also in policy evaluation. So while the modelers are creating models to improve policy design or the impact of policies on the real world, we're trying to understand policy design more generally, more broadly, and what other factors come into play next to modeling, what role modeling has within this, and also make the link to what are the effects perceived after the policy has come into action and the kind of effects from it.
DECIPHER as a project focuses on creating a modeling framework for holistic decision-making for environmental policy. The conditions under which such holistic frameworks are used in real-world decision-making are not clear in the literature. Our research focuses on understanding when, why, and how such frameworks can effectively inform real-world policymaking by studying the conditions under which integrated policymaking happens, under which modeling informs policy design, and under which it leads to successful policies.
The kind of results we're trying to get at is threefold. One, it's factors and dynamics that influence integrated decision-making for the heating decarbonization. And second, it's the strengths and limitations of the economic methods and tools as procedural policy instruments. And third, it's analyzing the programmatic process and political performance of heating policies in the European Union. With our insights, we can lay a foundation so that policymaking can be improved and decarbonization can be accelerated in a way that it's at the same time recognizing other policy issues such as social justice and therefore becoming more effective and having less negative impact on citizens.
Work, the way I see it, has a variety of stakeholders, including policymakers, modelers, researchers working in social sciences, and civil society. The ambition and the hope is that by using the insights we create, these different stakeholders can contribute to more effective interventions that lead to more efficient and legitimate policy processes and policy design.